Home Safety Academy is a state-of-the-art civilian training facility providing the most complete training for the individual that seeks the best training from outstanding instructors. Home Safety Academy offers classes from the very basic through the most advanced safety and personal protection. Our mission is to provide superior learning opportunities for all levels of students and the community seeking the best courses in safety, survival, and firearm training. Home Safety Academy will remain a personal protection industry leader, adapting to changes in today's world. Visit our academy and meet with one of our NRA certified instructors. You will see why students from across the country take their safety, firearms training, simunition training, and survival training at Home Safety Academy. Call 561-844-1381 and speak with one of our training consultants today. And visit our website, homesafetyacademy.com, to learn more.